But notice the flags. There's not much of a breeze. In fact, for the rest of the day, I think we'll be dealing with sustained wind speeds, for the most part, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. So a whole heck of a lot less breezy than our Sunday was. 64 degrees right now in Lincoln, but 59 in Aurora, York, and Grand Island. Also Kearney at 59, 63 in Hebron, 64 in Omaha, and 61 degrees in Columbus. And the humidity's not bad either, so the air kind of has a crisp feel to it this morning. In temperatures today, they're not going to be hot. It's actually going to be very nice. 73 degrees by 11 o'clock, 79 by 1, and then into the 80s by peak heating. We'll top out near 83 degrees this afternoon. This would be a perfect day to have lunch outside. Temperatures in the 70s around lunchtime, low humidity and low wind speeds. Take advantage of the weather today. Let's look at the upper air pattern though, because we are still in the unsettled pattern. The big hot dome is still sitting well off to the south. That's where the intense summer heat resides, out towards the deep south and desert southwest. And just to the north of this hot dome, we're still in a storm track where we have several little ripples in the upper levels of the atmosphere passing through. That's going to give us several more opportunities for rain over the next few days. In fact, we see some showers already in western Nebraska, and some of this energy associated with one of those ripples I was just talking about will move into central, eventually eastern Nebraska as the day wears on. And you're going to see that on Stormcast, some of those green blips moving into eastern Nebraska by afternoon. So I can't totally rule out a spotty shower at some point today, but I do think the rain chances today are fairly low. There will be many dry points, and some of you may get through the day completely dry. Meanwhile, we've got more storms getting underway in western Nebraska this evening. Some of those could be strong to severe. They will decay as they move east, but then we could see another wave of rain late tonight in eastern Nebraska. I don't think we have a severe weather threat today or tonight in eastern Nebraska, but in western parts of the state, there is a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Even tomorrow, you'll notice a severe weather risk for central and western Nebraska. So you get the idea. There are several opportunities for rainfall. Most of these storms start off to the west and then they move east. That's just going to be the story for most of this week. And we're keeping things cool as a result of the stormy pattern. 81 degrees tomorrow, 80 on Wednesday. We'll warm things up a little bit to close out the work week. 87 on Thursday, 88 on Friday. Maybe keeping things dry on Friday, but then, it's a stormy pattern. We'll probably add a couple more storm chances by the end of the weekend.